Hey guys, today's me Akib coming back in a video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to make a Ben 10 watch. In the last video, you guys enjoyed it a lot and you guys have requested to make a good quality one. So in this, I've brought up a good quality setup. And first of all, you need an A4 sheet like this. Then you have to fold it half like this and crease it well. Crease it well. Then once your crease is beautiful, you have to take one side, like either this side or this side, just prefer this side, and then fold it like this, like making an angle like this. So fold it like this and crease it again. Make sure your creases are clean, and then open the flap, and again do the same thing on this side also. Just repeat the process. See that? Like this. Now we have did this side. I'll just have to do the same thing on this side also. So like this. And again like this. Make sure your creases are damn tight. Then you have to hold it like this, then push the left side and open this like this and do it like this. And once you get a thing like this, you have to hold it and press it, so you'll get a flap like this. Now you have to turn the other side and do the same thing. If you use an A3 paper, it will be big enough, so better using A3 paper. I'm just to demonstrate, I'm using an A4 paper. And after you have got a thing like this, two flaps, take this piece, these two pieces, and align it with these two lines like this. It should be like this. A piece like this. And then do the same thing on this side also. Make sure this squeeze is also well. Then you'll get a shape like this. And once you have this shape, make sure to take this and fold it upwards. Okay, first make a crease like this. Hold it like this and make a crease, so you'll get a line over here. Take this flap and align with the line. Just do as I'm doing it. Something like this. Then the same thing this side. Yep, you have got it. It should be like this. And then take the other flap and do that in the inside. Like you have to take it and then just keep it like this and just make a crease, and then it's like this. This is outside, right? You have to make this inside. Like take this flap and like align it like, and then you fold it and take a closer look. It's like this. Then you fold it and you do this again like this. Okay, now you should get a paper like this, like 2 are out and 2 are in. And once you have got a thing like this, you just turn it upside down and then just proceed a bit, and then just make it turn like this. Just try to keep it like this. Yep, like this, and align a bit. Like that, and just then you have to insert the flaps. For a small kid's hand it will fit, but it's a bit tight for me. But when you use A3 paper, it will be fit for you also. Just have it like this, and to insert the flap, you have to open both of these and put this inside the flap switch under, and then open one side with this flap, then close that side and open the other side with this flap and close, and after little adjustments it will be perfect. It is. I'll just show you another time. I'll just remove it. You will get a piece like this, right? So once you have this thingy like this, okay, so this is out and this is in, just turn the other way, open these flaps, put this inside, and it should be like this. Then open both like this, then put this, then close it, then open this and put this and close it, and this is the Ben 10 watch, and that's it guys. Please make sure you subscribe, like and comment, and also stay tuned for the next video.